Hello, how are you? How's everything? Dr. Khan is here today to discuss the significance of the time management. Well, you are well aware of the importance of the time management in achieving success in your life. You can, in fact, mold your life to your preferences. However, there are a lot of time management fallacies floating around you. For example, you can say that it is a common sense that you should not manage the time. There is no issue actually for the time management. And sometimes people are saying that if you don't have the fun in your life, it means you don't have the life. And some people are pointing out that we can work more and more efficiently under the pressures. But in fact, these are not truth. And there are many truths actually roaming around, but we need to understand what are the truth against the fallacies relevant to the time management. In fact, truth about the time management are basically that if you are going to have a time management, it increases the productivity, reduces the stresses, improve your self-esteem, make a balance and help achieve balance in your life, improve your self-confidence and help achieve mainly the goals. Now I can ask you one question. Do you know or do you have any idea in a week how many hours are there? Uh, yes, it is 168 hours. So 168 hours means that you have ample time in a week to actually manage your time. Let's talk about how to manage your time step by steps. In order to manage your time, you need to start actually setting the goals on the final stage. But it must be done with reasonable expectations, followed by a precise schedules and then revisit your plan time to time. If you are going to revisit your plan, you have actually an idea that whether you are following properly time management or not. Before going to actually start actually taking care of other things, you must have a clear notions for your own values, which you have adopted during your childhood from mother and adulthood in the university in order to have a precise plan for your time management. So the values are so important for you in order to actually manage your time. I am sure you must have heard a word procrastination. It is the most significant challenge in the time management. Yes, it is. And how it is? Because we always actually say that ignore the task and we are watching the movies and say that we are going to do the things later. All the time, one work is enough actually, and I can actually not do more works, so I'm tired. Sometimes you are overestimating your abilities and thinking that it is so easy, I can do in a minute, so I will do later. And sometimes you are giving justification to yourself that no need of perfection. It's okay, whatever is done, done. And maybe you are going to actually say that okay, no problem, minor delays are okay if it is deadline is arbitrary, so no need to actually worry about the deadlines. So these are the some examples of procrastinations, and this actually having a lot of problems while you are managing your time. There are actually, now we can actually talk about and or maybe realize that we must need to eliminate the time killers or time wasters. And let me give you some examples. For example, you need to know that how to say no politely to the people where you don't have time to actually do. Similarly, the social media, mobile, these are the most time wasters and you need to tackle them. And you can say that it is actually not in your hand. Sometimes you are emotionally attached to the social media, and there are many things you need to cover during a small time. So if you're going to stuck up on your social media, it will be a time waster and killing your time very quickly. And the last one is the set priorities. Ask yourself, do I really need to do this or not? So basically, if you don't feel that it is the priority area, maybe you need to actually say goodbye to that activity and start your priority areas. So, in order to actually organize all these things and manage your time, I strongly finally advise you to create a priority list of your own and fulfill it within a set time frame. If you are going to make a priority list, then you will be able to say no to the things which are time wasters and time killing to you. And at the end, I would strongly recommend, and say that design your life by yourself. Maybe some of the ideas which you are getting from others may be not applicable to you, but it is easier to manage the time, and then you will get the success and achieve all the goals of your life which you are trying to achieve. Hope you will actually follow some of the tips which I have given to you. Enjoy your life. Good luck for your success. Thank you very much. Take care.